Hello everyone, in this video I'd like to show you how to put a design that I made on Canva on the Redbubble store and show you how to configure the design to fit the products that would be in your store if you'd like to start a print-on-demand company with Redbubble. So in a previous video I made a design on Canva that says God is good all the time, and this is it. So what you'll do is, starting off, once you sign up with Redbubble, um, the dashboard is going to look like this. You're going to add new work. Uh, you're going to upload the design you made, open. It's going to take a few seconds to upload it to your computer, to your store. Okay, here are some of the products that are in the store, and I'm going to show you how to configure to make sure that they fit the dimensions of the products in the store. So first of all, we're going to change this background. We're going to do a universal back here. And some of these are, like I said, going to be black. These I'm going to change to navy, but however, first of all, let me show you there's a title required. And on the title, most of the time I just put whatever the name of whatever I have on the shirt. I just call my design work whatever I have on the shirt. I'll just use God is good. And then you'll use tags. They allow you to use up to 15 tags, and I would advise you to use them all so that they'll be able to find your design online wherever you're searching. So I'll just put, let's see, God is good, religious, oops, religion, church, churchy design. Now I'm just thinking of anything, but whatever your shirt is about, then you'll put it in the tags. I'm just trying to think of 15 words to use. Church, religious, religion, faith, believer. Anyway, you get the idea. And if you click right here on this eye, it'll tell you use 15 relevant tags per upload for each design. And I'll describe it as a religious design and gold text. That's good enough for this video. So here we're going to go to the first product, and I'm going to walk through each product and show you how easy it is to design it. And you'll move this up. What I did was I hit edit right here. I'm moving fast, and once the design shows up, you move it around to where it looks good on the shirt. And over here you can choose a different color. I'm going to use that navy, and then you go down to the bottom and apply changes after each. And it takes a little bit of time, but it's worth it because it'll show up good when it's out on the search. And this one also, edit, move the design up, change the color. I could use white, but I'm going to, let's see, I like that color. I'm going to use that color. And there's some more shirts here that you can scroll over on this one. I'm going to leave that one white, and I'm going to leave that one white. Okay, I'm going to apply changes after each design. Okay, on the hats, they're going to give you a choice. They're going to give you 3 hats. This hat right here, and click over, which is called the bucket hat. Click over baseball cap. Click over again, the dad hat. So I'm going to change the dad hat to navy. The baseball cap, I'm going to change to black. And the bucket hat, I think I'm going to leave it white. Let's see. Yeah. And I'm going to apply changes. I've never seen anybody in these chiffon tops, but I'm going to scale it down a bit to fit the shirt better. And maybe move it up a bit. And apply changes. I'm going to leave the color the same on that one. And so what you do is go down the row, and here's a place I'm going to do one, and resize, a little bit smaller. That's good, and I'm going to apply changes. So you get the idea. So I'm going to go down, and you've got some new things here for the pets: dog mat, cat mat, pet blanket. On a mug, I'm going to hit edit and rescale. And I like for my design on my mugs to be on the side of the mug. I'm going to make that fit a little better. Move it over. Yeah, I think that's okay. And apply changes. So with all of these you can do that. If you don't want them to show up in the search, you just hit this button and it'll disable and those won't show up. But what you want to do is actually you want to configure all the products, because you never know what somebody's going to buy. What you least expect somebody will buy. And this tote right here, you can't change the color. It's that color that stays the same, which I don't like, but that's how that looks. Apply changes. So for the most part, the ones I've already done, they look pretty good. These. So it takes a little bit of time to do them all. And if you have any questions, you can also ask in the comment section. I'm going to turn this puzzle on now. Yeah. All right. So that's that. That's how simple that is. And so once you're done with that, you'll have to scroll all the way to the bottom, and you can choose 2 media selections. You can make 2 media selections of how you want your design to show up. And I use these 2 all the time. And if it's a collection, you can use a collection, which I have religious collection, so I check that. And then, is this mature content? And it's best to say no, or else you're not gonna. I don't know how that works, but I always say no because I don't have any nudity or lingerie. And this is saying that you want anybody to see it, or if it's private, it's up to you. And this box says you have the right to sell the product containing this artwork. And you save it, and it's going to configure. Takes a few minutes. And then it's going to show your designs that you've configured. It's taking us a little time today, but it's okay. It's a good thing. says congratulations, your design is published. And so this is what's going to show up. The ones that I did configure. That's how they're going to look. That's both of them, all three of them right there. I see the mug. It's way down the list because they give you so many different things you can. There's a hoodie. And stickers, magnets. These turned out pretty good. This one I'd have to size that down a little. But otherwise you get the hang of it. But I want to see the mug. I want to show you the mug. Come on, mug. Hang on just a second. This video's turned out longer than I thought. Okay, here's the mug. That's pretty good. But I could have resized it a little and moved that over a bit. But then there's that old ugly bag. So this is it. So let me show you how to, when you want to see how much your designs are going to cost, or if you want to use them for advertisement or whatever, your link is here also in the top of your search bar. And if you hit view, it's going to say you created design. Your price is going to show up. When you hit view, you're going to see they're giving some kind of 20% off discount, which I didn't know nothing about. But anyway, that's okay. So here are all your prices and all of your products. And so what you have here is a design that you made in less than 5 minutes, and you've configured it. The configuration is going to take a little bit longer because you want them to look good when they're out there online. So you have all these products here with one design that you can offer. And it's easy if you just want to sell. You may not want to sell all these. You may want to sell aprons, or you may want to sell masks, or you may want to sell comforters or duvets, or whatever you want to do. It's up to you, and it's free. You can choose it and create the store in no time and start your business. So that was easy and simple, and I stumbled a little bit, but that's okay. You got the message. So any questions, you can always hit that comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.